If a squared plus b squared equals z and ab equals y, which of the following is equivalent to 4z plus 8y? Okay, there's not a numeric answer to this question. Every answer is some sort of expression with a and b. So we're given 4z plus 8y, and we have a formula that equals z and a formula that equals y. So let's take our expression 4z plus 8y and substitute the two expressions for z and y. So 4z is 4 times a squared plus b squared. That takes care of the z portion. And then 8 times ab. Okay. Now we can distribute the 4 to 4a squared plus 4b squared plus 8ab. I'm going to rearrange this. 4a squared plus 8ab plus 4b squared. And this is the you have to remember the rule for expanding a perfect square binomial. So if you had x plus y squared and you expanded that out to x plus y and then x plus y, what would be the resulting trinomial? It would give you x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. These two trinomials have a very similar pattern, except now each term has a factor of 4 being multiplied by them. And when you go from here to here, the initial terms will square. So to go backwards to the condensed form, you'd end up having to take the square root of the coefficients of the first and the last term. And the square root of 4 equals 2, so the coefficient on a and b are both going to be 2. So this would mean that we have 2a plus 2b all squared, which means that option B is our answer.